First home buyers in Victoria or Melbourne? How much do you really need to buy a property in Melbourne? Many first home buyers believe they need a 20% deposit. That's $120K for an $600K property. As a result, they spend years saving, only to see home prices increase by 30 to 60%, making home ownership even more challenging. But what if we told you that you might only need $34K to $35K to buy an $600K home in Melbourne? Let's break it down with an example. Let us look at buying this property in Tarneit, Victoria. We'll assume two possible sale prices, $600K and $650K. Scenario 1, purchase price, $600K. You will need 5% deposit, which is $30K, no stamp duty, no lender's mortgage insurance. Miscellaneous costs, $4K to $5K to cover conveyancing, inspections, lender fees, gov fees, insurance, moving, etc. Total required fund. As you can see in the breakdown provided above, you only need $35K to secure your home, assuming purchase price of $600K. Scenario 2, purchase price, $650K. You need 5% deposit, which is $32.5K. Need to pay around $11.5K. Stamp duty, as stamp duty is waived only for properties up to $600K. No lender's mortgage insurance. Miscellaneous costs, $4K to $5K. Total required fund. As you can see in the breakdown provided above, you only need $49K to secure your home, assuming purchase price of $650K. Key takeaway: you don't need a 20% deposit to buy a home. With as little as $20K or $30K, you can get into the market for entry-level properties and stop waiting while properties prices continue to rise. Want to find out if you're eligible? Scan the QR code to schedule your free strategy session with our home buying specialist today. Prefer to call? Call us at 0419 509 809 and start your home ownership journey today.